This is a graph theory question. We have been given two statements and we need to determine which of these statements is true. They have considered a graph G, which is a connected, weighted and undirected graph. This statement 1 is saying that G has a unique minimum spanning tree MST if no two edges of G have the same weight, which means all the edges are having distinct weights. So let us consider a graph with n vertices. Then that graph can have a maximum of n into n minus 1 by 2 or nc2 edges if it is maximally connected. But for an MST, how many edges we shall take? Only n minus 1. For n vertices, we will need only n minus 1 edges to form an MST. Now, if all of them are having distinct edge weight, then which one we shall choose? We shall sort out the edge weights in increasing order and we shall take the least n minus 1 values out of them. So here we don't have a choice, we just need to sort them out and choose the lower n minus 1 values. So definitely if there are distinct edge weights, we shall have only one such choice of selecting the edges for MST, and that would give us a unique MST. So the statement 1 is correct, we shall get a unique MST in this case. Now looking at statement 2, it is saying that G will have a unique MST if for every cut of G there is a unique minimum weight edge crossing the cut. Now what do we mean by a cut? Let us say we are having a cut like this such that the graph is divided into two components. Some of its nodes are over here, they are connected to each other in some way, and these are some of the edges which are connecting the nodes in this component to the nodes in this component. So basically this cut is a line which is dividing this graph among two different components, and these are some of the edges which are crossing that cut. Now they are saying there is a unique minimum weight edge crossing the cut. Let us assume that these edges are having the values 4, 2, 1, 3. Now here we are having a unique minimum weight edge crossing this cut, which is this one. So we can say that for forming an MST, we shall form an MST for this component and for this component, and then we shall join these two components together using this particular edge which is having the minimum unique weight. So that would give us a unique MST. But let us say if we had another edge with the same weight 1. So now here we would have got a choice whether to take this edge or to take this edge. That would not give us unique MST. In that case we would have more than one MSTs. So if there is only one unique minimum edge weight which is crossing this cut, in this case which was just this one, that would definitely give us a unique MST because we would have no other option to connect these two components together and still form an MST. So yes, this statement is also correct, both of them are true. So the correct option is C, that both the statements are correct. So option C.